Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will talk about how to get ace every single time. Acing every single time in Valorant, meaning getting a kill on every enemy player in a single round, is an incredibly difficult feat and often depends on a combination of skill, strategy and luck. While it's not realistic to expect to ace every round, there are some strategies you can employ to increase your chance of getting multiple kills. Knowing the map inside out can give you an advantage in predicting enemy position and planning your approach. Study common choke points, hiding spots, and rotations to catch enemies off guard. Position yourself strategically to maximize your chance of getting kills. Use cover effectively, hold angles, and be mindful of your exposure to enemy fire. Coordinate with your team to gather information about enemy positions and plan your attacks accordingly. Sharing information can help you predict enemy movement and set up crossfire. Utilizing your agent's abilities to gain information, control areas, and flush out enemies, coordinating with your team to combine abilities for maximum impact can also be a crucial factor. Manage your economy effectively to ensure you have the best weapon and utilities available in every round. A well equipped team is more likely to succeed in any types of engagement. Maintaining a calm and focused mindset, especially in intense situations, can be quite helpful. Panicking or rushing can lead to mistakes and missed opportunities. Analyzing your gameplay and learning from your mistakes is also a vital point. Practice your aim and reflexes regularly to improve your chance of winning gunfights. Aim for headshots to maximize damage and secure kills quickly. Practice regularly to hone your skills and improve your overall gameplay. The more you play, the better you'll become at making split second decisions and executing precise shots. Keeping these tips in mind will greatly improve your ability to ace in Valorant. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.